He's depressed.
Yeah, it's cold, bro.
What's good, Jakor?
Against everybody, you know, and it's just like,
And that's what it's about.
yeah.
Oh, this is Omar's car. Omar's. I think it's on I ain't even do an intro to the video or nothing. We just started recording.
Good morning. I thought you started so loud. Thank you for waking up in the bed. I wake up. Wake up.
Yeah, what's good?
It's good, bro.
Another one. Oh my god. I can wait for this. That's just welcome back to the channel, Jakor from Monster Motoring here. So we have, we're here at with Ron for the Sneakerdrive. All our Ron, we got all the cars here. But yeah, we're gonna show you some clips and see you guys later.
Yo, Ron, you got an air pump? It's blue or purple? I can pull out the compressor.
Yeah, I know. Is it blue or purple? I'm confused.
Right, let me pull it out.
That's a good question.
Depends what's changing. Blue or purple.
Yeah.
He got the compressor. He's gonna pull it out.
bronchitis.
You only want me around just to break your fall and leaving. I just really want your night and day, but you can't even give me up. Now you're 30 when you say
Alright, so we just got to one spot. We got all the cars here. Oh, all the cars. This outfit, nice. Alright, so you guys, you already know the deal. Like, we are getting a Porsche. I don't know when, but it's happening soon. Like, soon. Look at this GT3. This thing just looks amazing. All the cars. Yep, I'm getting a Porsche. Yeah, it's mandatory. Like, after that launch, like, did y'all not hear that? Like, it's crazy. Man left the whole tire marks right here. Everything. It's like, what other car could you do that in? Be honest with me. What other car? Like, it's crazy. What other car could you do that in? Like, it's really crazy. But I'm not sure what we're doing next. If we'll get to like another spot. Yeah, but I'll update you guys in a few, and peace. over here at Top Gear right now. We're gonna take you guys on inside. We got all the cars parked up. You can show them the cars. It's 2.5. Now we're inside for the camera dive. All the cars. But yeah, we're all inside here. All the cars here. Alright guys, so event is done. Sneakerdrive complete. We're at Top Gear Porsche, New Jersey. And we're done for the day. I'll show you guys all the cars. We're leaving out.
After we're leaving out.
Show a few there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. I know I say a lot, but I say a lot. Yeah. But thank you guys for watching and tune into the next video and